Set clear goals. Define specific objectives to work towards. Plan every day in advance. Outline tasks and prioritize for the next day.
Grab your free copy now. Click the link in the description to download your exciting ebook. Happy reading!
Apply the 80-20 rule. Focus on tasks that yield the most significant results. Consider consequences. Reflect on the outcomes of tasks to prioritize effectively. Practice the ABCDE method. Continually prioritize tasks based on importance and urgency. Focus on key result areas. Concentrate on tasks that align with your goals. Delegate and outsource. Assign tasks to others to free up your time. Apply the law of 3. Identify 3 key tasks for the day and complete them. Practice zero-based thinking. Evaluate tasks based on their current relevance. Upgrade your skills. Continuously improve your abilities to boost efficiency. Use the Pomodoro technique. Work in focused intervals with short breaks. Implement the Swiss cheese method. Take small steps to tackle daunting tasks. Develop a sense of urgency. Approach tasks with enthusiasm and energy. Single-handle every task. Focus on one task at a time to maximize productivity. Practice the salami slice method. Break tasks into small, manageable steps. Create large chunks of time. Allocate significant periods for focused work. Develop a sense of momentum. Build a rhythm to maintain consistent progress. Motivate yourself. Use rewards and positive self-talk to stay motivated. Visualize completion. Imagine task completion to boost motivation. Identify your limiting step. Determine obstacles and address them. Get out of technological time sinks. Limit distractions from technology.